What's up, you guys? Martin here, and welcome to day 23 of Vlogtober. So yesterday I did mention that I was gonna try a video today with a spooky recipe. Well, guess what? We're gonna try the spooky recipe with a few ingredients. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Let's see what we need. Guys, as you can see, it's very small recipe, okay? You don't need a lot. You need Cool Whip. You need green lime Jello. You need Halloween candies. You need a cup of ice. And you need a cauldron. So this is a witch's brew cauldron snack, yummy goodness. Hopefully I do this right. It looks good from the recipe, but we gotta try this. Like, when I seen this, I was like, oh yes, this is my recipe. Okay, the recipe calls for a 6 ounce pack of Jello, but I just got a big Jello, and the reason why I got a big Jello is because I have a big cauldron. Okay, this thing's huge, and I'm just making it for you guys. The recipe shows the small mini cauldrons. I don't have that. I'm just working with what I got. So we're gonna whip this up together, and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna add the Jello. All right, now we're gonna pour a cup and a half of boiling water. All right, and we're gonna stir that bad boy, just like that. I like that green color, very Halloweenish, like ooh, slime. I love it. So we're gonna stir that until it's fully dissolved. Now we have a half cup of cold water, and you're gonna add ice until it reaches a full cup. Alright, so it's at a full cup. Now we're gonna pour this into the Jello mixture. Alright, so now we're gonna pour the ice cold water into the gelatin. And we're gonna stir this until the ice cubes are melted. Oh yeah. Stir that bad boy up. I'm a witch, 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 I'm a witch. Now we're gonna add a cup of Cool Whip. So I'm gonna just use a measuring cup just to make sure I'm doing this right. Oh yeah, that Cool Whip though, that Cool Whip though. Jinxie butt, you want Cool Whip? You need Cool Whip? Yum! Yummy mama! That's mama's heart! That's mama's whole heart! That's mama's back fat! That's mama love! That's mama! That's mama! That's mama! That's mama! And this is going in the sink. I'm not using this again. We are now putting the Cool Whip into the mixture. Let me scoop this out really quick, hold on. Alright you guys, so we are mixing this. I thought I was recording, I did not record. But we're mixing the, oh I hate myself for this. We're mixing the Cool Whip into the Jello mixture. And it's a nice cool like witch's brew green. I love this color. So now that it's all mixed, we're gonna add this into the cauldron. Alright, so now we're pouring this into the cauldron. I'm making a mess, of course I am. There we go. Yum. Alright, so after that's done, we have it in the fridge. It didn't give me a specific time frame, so I'll check back in an hour. I'm assuming that's enough time for a cauldron. I made 2, one's a little less, but I just made that because I had extra and I didn't want to waste. But then we'll go on to the next step. Laundry's done. Alright you guys, so we have this now. It is like, it's hardened, so not hella hard, but it's like soft. It looks good. So it is now ready to be decorated. Alright, so I thought these were bones, but these are actually little ghosts. But okay, it is what it is. You can, like I said, you could decorate this any way you want. We've got some pumpkins. I'm definitely going to use some of these little bubbles and little tombstones. So we're just going to add some stuff in here. So let's do that. Okay, we're going to add some of the little bubbles. Okay, we got some bubbles. And let's add some ghosts. This would be like a ghost potion kind of thing. I don't know. Let your mind... Oh, shoot. Let your mind run free with this. Boom. Look how cute. You know what? Let's add some orange pumpkins. Right, so we're going to add some orange pumpkins. Boom, just to give that pop. Just to give that pop. And there you have it, you guys. The Cauldron Jello Witch's Brew. How freaking cute is that? I mean, come on now. Now, we gotta try this. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's get into it. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm really excited for that. Look at that. Yum. Alright, you guys, it's time to test it. Sorry about the lighting. This lighting is not great, but we gotta try this. So, Witch's Brew Cauldron. This is its taste. Okay, it's good. It's really good. But I think I put too much candy in there because it's really hard. So let's try it a little bit without the candy. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks white on the sliding is horrible. That's really good. Oh my gosh, the whipped cream, it does it. It does it. This is really good. I never seen anything like this. It's so like... The whipped cream gives it a whippy flavor. Or, I mean, a texture. It's not like regular Jello. You can make these with the little mini cauldrons for a party. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cool. Yes, please. Witch's Cauldron. It was a success. Love it. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. This is really good. Okay, I gotta stop. Alright, you guys, that was it. This was a very successful Halloween treat recipe. I highly recommend you guys do this. I made a bigger batch than what it called for just because I only had the big cauldrons. So if you have a whole bunch of small cauldrons you can get at the dollar store at Walmart, make this, you guys. Make this for a little kid's Halloween treat. Make this for adults. My God, I'm over here tearing that up. Okay? That's what we gotta do. So you guys, please try this recipe and let me know what you guys think, because I personally freaking love it. You can even do purple. Purple would be good. I like grape, so that's that. But purple with like a, you know, witchy purple brew. You could do that with any colors. I just decided to go with green because I think of green with witch's pot. So you guys, I highly recommend this easy recipe. What, you only paid, what, like less than $1 for the Jello? You pay nothing for ice cubes if you have ice at home. You pay about $2 something for the whipped cream, the Cool Whip. And like $2.97 for the beakers of the little tubes of the Halloween candy I got. That's all it is, you guys. Like, come on now. Great recipe, great fun. You can even do this with your kids. Make it with them, okay? That's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, favorite, share with your friends and family for more content, and until next time, you guys, don't be a lemon, be a rosebud.